Question number 101. How many of the following does not show secondary growth? As far as we have seen the questions, we know that the dicots show secondary growth, be it the dicot root or the dicot stem. So dicot root and the dicot stem, they show the secondary growth. But the gymnosperms, they also show the secondary growth. Please note it down that the gymnospermic root and the gymnospermic stem, they also show the secondary growth. So C and D options are also correct. Now, what about the A, monocot stem? No, monocots do not show the secondary growth. So how many of the following does not show the secondary growth? Only one. So the correct option for the given question is option number 1. Let's move to the next question. Question number 102. A student is provided with a section of a plant. Okay, he has to identify whether the section is of a root or stem. Which of the following features can help him? Before going into the details of this question, I should tell you about some differences or the basic differences between a root and the stem. If you see the root, it has radial vascular bundles. So there is a radial type of arrangement of vascular bundles. If you see the stem, the vascular bundles are conjoint. The stem, it is conjoint and the collateral. If you talk about the root, the protoxylem is present towards the periphery. So root shows exact condition of xylem, whereas stem shows endark condition of xylem. So these are the two differences, major differences between root and stem. I hope these two differences can help you to solve this question. First option, presence of exact xylem shows that it is a stem section. No, exact xylem is seen in the root. Second, presence of pericycle shows that it is a root section. No, pericycle is common in both root and shoot or the stem section. Third, presence of radial vascular bundles shows it is a root section. Yes, because in root you can see the radial vascular bundles. So this is correct. Presence of epidermis shows that it is a stem section. No, because epidermis is also present in both of them. So the correct option for the given question is option number 3. Let's move to the next question. Question number 103. Cork cells in peepal tree are produced by. Peepal, it's a dicot and it has cork cells. So cork cells, if you see, they are redifferentiated tissues which are produced by the cork cambium, also known as phellogen, which produces the secondary cortex towards the inner side. And this cork cambium, it is the dedifferentiated tissue. So the cork cells are produced by the dedifferentiated tissue. Phelloderm, no, because secondary cortex is also known as phelloderm. Primary meristematic tissues, no, cork cambium is the secondary meristematic tissue. Fourth, axillary meristems, no, it is also the primary one. So the correct option for the given question is option number 3. Let's move to the next question. Question number 104. Select the odd one with respect to the tissues of bark. All the tissues outside the vascular cambium constitute the bark. So if you see, this is the vascular cambium. All the xylem is present inside the cambium. All the phloem is present outside the cambium. So see this phellogen. Phellogen is the cork cambium which is present somewhere. So it is present here. So this is, yes, it's a part of bark. Primary cortex is present somewhere here. So this is also a part of bark. Primary phloem, of course, because it is also outside the vascular cambium. Primary xylem, no, because it is present inside the vascular cambium. So the correct option for the given question is option number 4. Let's move to the next question. Question number 105. Tyloses or tracheal plugs make the heartwood non-functional. It is correct Because tylosis, they are the swellings of xylem parenchyma into the vessels. They block the vessels and form the heartwood, not functional because they are found in heartwood only. So, they are swellings of vessels? No, they are swellings of xylem parenchyma in the vessels. They are dead xylem parenchyma. Xylem parenchyma is the living component of the xylem. They are exclusively found in sapwood, no, exclusively found in heartwood. So the correct option for the given question is option number 1. Let's move to the next question.